everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Finn. This is part 2 of our special Easter dinner. Now we're cooking the sides. Time to step up and start cooking. With our trusty cutting board, we set up the mandolin. This isn't the mandolin, that's an instrument. It's the mandolin you use to slice and dice. Put your potatoes in the hole and slide it back and forth. Like the Fruit Ninja! Take your thyme twig and hold it upside down. Run your fingers down it so it pushes all the leaves off. You might have to do it a couple times to make sure you get all the leaves off. Chop up your thyme and garlic until it's very fine. Keep those fingers flat so you don't cut them. Load your skillet up with patatas. You can use your cutting board as a slide. Whee! Do the same with your thyme and garlic. Now pour the liquids on top. Chicken broth. Thanks, Easter Bunny. Bok bok. Ugh, that's hard to lift. Just kidding, it's not heavy. It's cream. Sprinkle with salt and put it on the stove to boil. Gotta use my special spatula. While the potatoes heat up, we're gonna chop the vegetables. Cut off the ends of the carrots and remove their vegetable skin. Cut off the ends of the green beans, too. Yum, 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 they're really good. Now spread them out on your foil-lined pan. Say, these are really good. Oh, sorry, was I supposed to leave some for you? Put your chopped garlic in the melted butter and squeeze in a little honey for sweetness. Now pour it all over your carrots and green beans, making sure it's thoroughly mixed. Up, down, turn around, pick up your carrots. Up, down, turn around, and mix it with green beans. Sprinkle it with salt and check your potatoes. Looks like the liquid reduced, so it's time to take them off the burner. Take a slotted spoon and remove the potatoes from your skillet. Spread it out equally with your special spatula. Sprinkle it with Parmesan cheese. Put the potatoes in the oven to cook for 20 minutes. You can use the bottom rack while your main dish is cooking. While we wait, it's a good time for chocolate milk. 1 scoop, 2 scoops. Stir, stir, stir. Add a third so it's good for sure. Remove your main dish and put in your vegetables and wait another 20 minutes. Time's up! Yop, 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 that's hot. Remove your potatoes and vegetables. Make sure to use hot pads so you don't burn yourself on that Yop Hotness. And voila! Easter dinner. Man, that looks good. Happy Easter, everyone! Keep cooking and stay safe. This has been Cooking with Finn.
Hey, if you enjoyed Cooking with Finn, do him a favor and hit that like button and click the subscribe button if you want to be alerted to whenever he live streams or uploads. Thanks so much.